Hello students, welcome to online classes of Shemstar Global School. This is Nabila Fatima and I am here to teach you all social science. So in the previous videos we have done revision of our environment. In this video we will do revision of interior of the earth, chapter number 12, geography, and this video is revision video part 1. The earth is about 460 crore years old. Its surface has been undergoing changes throughout these years. We still have very limited information about what is inside our earth. The detailed study of the interior of the earth is done by geologists. Now, let's study about the structure of the earth. Earth is made up of several concentric layers. So, on the basis of varying density and other physical and chemical properties of rock, the earth can be divided into 3 concentric layers: crust, mantle and core, which we are going to study in this video. First layer of the earth is crust. The uppermost layer of the earth's surface is called crust. The crust is the solid outmost layer and it is also called lithosphere. It is relatively thin layer as compared to the other 2 layers. Crust is there in the continent also and it is there in the ocean also. That is why crust is divided into 2 parts. First one is continental crust and second one is oceanic crust. Continental crust is the crust which is there in the continent, and second is oceanic crust. Oceanic crust is the crust which is there under the ocean. Continental crust is made up of silica and alumina. Silica short form is Si and alumina short form is Al. Therefore, it is called Sial. Oceanic crust is made up of silica and magnesium. Short form of silica is Si and short form of magnesium is Ma, and therefore it is known as Sima. The average density of the crust is about 3.0 gram per cubic centimeter. Next layer is mantle. Beneath the crust is mantle. So mantle lies just below the crust, and it is 2900 km thick. It is also known as mesosphere. Mantle is a middle layer as it is between crust and core. Therefore, it is known as mesosphere. The term mesos means middle. It is made up of dense and heavy material such as iron and magnesium. The average density ranges between 3.5 gram to 5.5 gram per cubic centimeter. The temperature in the mantle is very high. Even magma is found in this layer. And the temperature varies between 1100 degrees Celsius to 3600 degrees Celsius. Mantle is divided into 2 parts, upper mantle and lower mantle. The upper mantle contains pockets of molten material called magma. The inner mantle is entirely solid in nature. Last layer of the earth is core. It lies below mantle. The core lies below mantle and around the center of the earth. It is also called biosphere. The average radius of the core is about 3500 km. So it has a thickness of about 3500 km. It is made up of heavy materials. Core is made up of heavy materials such as nickel and iron. Short form of nickel is Ni and short form of iron is Fe. Therefore, it is termed as knife. Core is also divided into 2 layers, inner core and outer core. While the temperature of outer core is 2200 degrees Celsius and the temperature of inner core is 5000 degrees Celsius. Core is also known as the storehouse of magma. Students, this is your today's assignment. This assignment contains 3 long answers of this chapter, and this you have to write in your fair copy. This is question number 1. This is question number 2. In this question, you have to draw this diagram, the structure of the earth. This is also there in your book. And this is question number 3. Pause the video, write the answers carefully in your fair copy, and then send me in the form of PDF in Google Classroom.